So you could stop here with your slime, I suppose. And mine right now, it's almost like oobleck that you make with water and cornstarch, where like when you hit it and you apply hard forces, it's solid. But then when like you're not, it just kind of runs. And then do that. But we're gonna add the stuff to make. What kind of slime am I making again?
You're making, it's supposed to be like a butter slime.
Butter slime.
Since you're not using like the really nice clay that everybody uses, it might not come out the same.
El Cheapo butter slime.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah. This is really soft. Whoa.
Can I
So
crunch
do I
some?
just,
Whoa.
what?
Can I crunch some of that?
Yeah, hand the camera to Joey for a minute.
Okay, so don't stop
So
talking.
how do I crush it? Did I just crush it into here?
Don't crush it into it.
We're back.
This is not my problem. This was Rebecca, the camera woman thing. Behind the camera.
I'm a thing now.
Okay,
thing too.
so we're gonna add. Sorry, you actually open this first.
Okay, wait.
Do it at the same time.
Wait, let me get the stuff off of your clay. It includes 2 cutters. How fancy.
God.
One looks like a fidget spinner. Oh no.
Really?
No.
Are you kidding me? That's what the world has come to? Okay, do I grab out all of my clay?
All of your clay. So as you add it in, it's gonna become literally liquid.
Really thick. Okay, it's gonna become liquid.
So that's why you're gonna add this in. Because I remember like when I was little, not little, like a few months ago, I put in a little bit of Play-Doh into slime and it like became liquid and I was like freaking out.
Okay, so I'm adding in my clay, my dough, whatever you want to call it, and a bunch more borax because it's gonna make it.
Oh my gosh, this is like breaking my finger. Ow. Ooh, ow.
That is weird. It's getting more liquidy.
This is not very satisfying looking. Just like, I did like a sample size and it was really soft and nice.
I needed more borax, but
I
I couldn't get it off my
agree, Joey.
hands. It's just taking a lot. It is like super liquidy. I should have added way more borax.
Mine's not as messy.
See, because Amanda's not good at this. I'm kidding.
Yours looks so cool. I want to touch it.
You can't yet.
I gotta deal with this mess first.
Hey guys, so this isn't Amanda speaking anymore. This is actually Beck Pie from Beck Pie Slice of Life talking. Amanda filmed this video while she was on vacation, but she has a head cold now, so I'm helping her out with the voiceover. So we'll finish talking about slime. Amanda added lots more borax to her slime, and then it added too much accidentally, so it got clumpy and not really slimy. So she fixed it a little bit by getting the last bits of remaining glue from the bottles, but the mixture was still very thick. It was still slime, just a lot thicker, as you can see. Claire's, however, turned out awesome. She just mixed in 1 floral foam block. It ended with a nice stretchy and fluffy texture, kind of like snow. The sequins kept falling out in this mixture, so the sequins seemed to work better in the butter slime. So here are some more slimes. All these slimes that I'm going to show you started off with the basic slime recipe. This one, Claire added some fake snow into it, and I think she had some glitter, it looks like. This one, it's also the same recipe, like I said, and she did the floral foam block and added some little foam balls, and there she just did a bubble. Those are really cool. Here's the next one. This one, Claire added a bunch of stuff. She just went crazy on the texture. She added little rubber bands, glitter. She just added a ton of stuff. I'm pretty sure this is a butter slime. Very stretchy. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy crafting! Bye!
Mine's
The
not
stunned
messy.
face of a giant.
It's so gross.
Hey.